There are more than 360 million of security cameras worldwide. They have become better, smaller, and cheaper. They even can fly now. Yet are we any safer? Most of the cameras available on the market today are using noise and motion detection to trigger alerts. All the time, the alerts were sent out due to wiggling leaves, light changes, moving cars, running around track, or sometimes, nothing. Too many false alerts make them become meaningless. And you end up still have to hire a human to monitor your cameras. No more nonsense alerts or inefficiency. Sentry introduces our AI solutions for cameras. Sentry AI Engine can detect human the moment someone appears on your camera feed. Especially, Sentry AI can classify people from other moving items. Distinguish people from human-like objects. Detect human just through body parts, body shapes, and movement. In all light conditions. Not to stop there, our top computer scientists are working hard to enhance the AI engine's ability to recognize other specific objects like tools or guns, and monitor from the sky over large sites and campuses. Synthesize computer vision and sound processing to understand context and situation for smarter decision-making. And develop natural language interaction for better user experience. Through SaaS or on-premise, Sentry technology enables unlimited creative applications. Home security. Industrial operations using drone. Campus and enterprise security. Smart cities. Healthcare. Want to learn more? Contact us today at smarthomesentry.com. Sentry AI solutions for cameras.